Okay, we're now at BXB Airport. At medyo mainit. Mainit ang panahon. Already text my wife and there's the other first batch. That's Mike and si Bossing. Boss, override boss. Tawagan mo na, sir.
Ibang gagawin, ha?
Okay. Okay, hanapin na namin yung aming service going to Oasis Club. Boss. First starter. Ayun, nasa baba sila. At hahanapin namin kung saan kami magpapatatak sa immigration. Boss. Grabe, ganda ng ganda ng BXB Airport. Look at that. Dami, centralized ang aircon, Si Paul. Sama natin.
Tama mo sa documentary mo yun ng Dubai.
That's the toilet for women.
Directed by Sammy.
Ito hanapin nyo sa YouTube Okay. Sorry. Ayun, rush. Madali. Kaya huwag tayong nasa gitna. Tabi lang tayo.
Bigla tayo madadakit.
Brian, may suggestion. Madadakit ka kami.
Hindi pwede.
Look at that. Ito nyo, Christmas light, Grabe, mahabang lakaran to, Asan ba dulo nito? Okay lang magsita ng Tagalog, Kaya lang nakakaintindi. Babali yung shoulder mo, Hindi nga pantay. Ito si Irwin. Dalaping officer. Stop na rin at makasitahin tayo. Bawal. Pero check mo muna yung sa labas. Grabe.